Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to SteadyRollin'Garage. We hope you guys liked that last video we just put out for you. That was a really fun one, and we got all the boys' trucks back up and running. But today, for this video, we have a couple special upgrades for the Tacoma. So let's get right into it. First thing we're gonna start off with right here, missing a roll pan. So I got a roll pan off eBay, and it even came with like mounting screws and this LED conversion for the license plate light. It's pretty good. We'll see if it measures up and just fits right in, or if we have to do a little bit of trimming. Let's see if the roll pan fits. No, damn it. Oh, yes, yes. Barely. Super snug. Right, small kind technical difficulty because the roll pan didn't fit, so I had to grind both sides, and I went ahead and threw in the plastic insert for the license plate and the license plate light. So the only thing left to do is get it wired in and throw this on. So let's finish this up. That thing looks pretty clean, guys. Light is working as well. Just need to throw the license plate on. Nice, all done. So guys, I do have some cool parts that I've been saving. Right around the time that the Tacoma went down, I got these parts in, and I've just been holding on to them to find the perfect time to throw them on. And I think today is gonna be that day. Let's check them out and see what you guys think. Dude. These are sick. I can't wait to see how it looks when it's on the Tacoma. So I want to give you guys a little preview, you know, what it looks like before we get to installing it. I think it looks pretty sick. Go down in the comments below. Let us know what you guys think. This piece is actually really, really cool. Yes, sir. Guys, check it out. I got the other side of the quick release already installed on the steering wheel. First try. Yo, yeah, so the freaking little ding sound is so sick. Dude, it feels pretty solid. It's in a solid spot. The steering wheel doesn't, like, you know, intrude into my space a lot. Pretty sick. Not bad. The final piece to complete today, this shift knob. This shift knob has been with us all the way since back when we used to live in Louisiana. So, you know, it's got some sentimental value to me, so I'll probably never let this go. You'll see this in my collection for probably the rest of time. But check it out, guys. Damn, that shit looks clean, dude. Fucking sick. Hell yeah. Don't forget, drop a like on this video if you guys think it looks really cool on the Tacoma. I think it looks super sick. But I'm probably gonna warm up the Tacoma, move the 87, and I'm gonna take it for a little drive. Just mess with the steering wheel and feel how the new shift knob feels. Yes, let's get to it. Boys, yeah, cruising, hey, smooth, yes, check this out, guys. I just spotted this freaking bagged Scion XB. This shit is tight, bro. What the fuck, bro? That shit is sick. This guy just aired out at the light. Alright guys, we are back home now. Tacoma is driving great. The steering wheel plus the power steering working now just makes the truck feel buttery smooth. Shift knob feels awesome and the roll pan doesn't rattle. So overall, pretty good video for the Tacoma. Ryan also did just hit me up. He just wants to stroll over and chill. So we're just waiting on Ryan. Maybe we'll get a couple rounds of UFC in. Yes sir.
Alright, it's your boy Ryan here at SteadyRollin'Garage. Today, not doing anything. Came here to check Brad with my boy. Yes, sir. Had a little issue with the car. Hey, Brad. You already know Brad. Brad took care of that slight kind of carb. But now the car, truck, running smoothly. All thanks to Brad and Steady Rolling. But if you guys don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. SteadyRollin'Garage, baby. We out. Hey.